very glad that Meet and Jeet invited to be part of this event called BizData.
This is the Mumbai Investor Nexus curated by BizData, a platform built to empower India's next wave of entrepreneurs and the visionaries who back them.
आपके जो लोग भी साथ में बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं उनको इन्वेस्टर्स के साथ में जोड़ के दोनों को विन विन सिचुएशन की स्टेज पे लाने का काम ये लोग करें। मैं आपको केवल इतना ही कह सकता हूँ, ये चारों बच्चों को मैं बहुत अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ, परिवार को जानता हूँ, इनके संस्कारों को जानता हूँ और पैसा कमाने से ज़्यादा इनको इज्जत कमाने का शौक है।
When I was 16, I felt what is the largest problem on the globe that we should solve? Is it infra? Is it health? Or what is it? I later understood unemployment is one of the largest problems that we have to solve. That day I decided I want to focus on this core problem and focus to my life on this problem. So when I was young, my dad taught me something. He told me Satyam Dritti Sayana Kadapi Purna Nantaya Priyati Jivanamo, which means true vision is that which can never be completed. It is infinity which drives life.
I believe our venture studio model, which goes beyond funding and into hand-holding startups through execution, will be a game changer. We are fully committed, fully focused, and we promise we are going to build one of the largest and finest asset management company in world.
Biggest risk in life is not taking a risk. तो हमें सिर्फ इतना ख्याल रखना है कि हम जो हमारे सक्सेसफुल स्टार्टअप से जो 10 सक्सेसफुल स्टार्टअप से आउट ऑफ 100 वो हमारी बास्केट में कैसे आया।
हमारे पास एक डेडिकेटेड टीम है पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट की, वो हर मंथ और हर क्वार्टर स्टार्टअप के डेटा को रिव्यू करती है, स्टार्टअप के परफॉर्मेंस को, ग्रोथ को, नॉट जस्ट फॉर रिपोर्टिंग बट ऑल्सो टू आइडेंटिफाई रियल टाइम ग्रोथ ब्लॉकर्स।
We are the business management team who are here to help you get a maximum returns for your investment.
So here I remember the team talking about BizData. That's why we like them. And that's why we are their sustainability partners. For all their portfolio companies, we will be providing the sustainability support to them.
Beyond Capital, how UHNI can drive value and influence in the startup ecosystem.
Any founder who comes to me and I see a little weakness in his enthusiasm, drive or energy, sorry. क्या छुपाना idea? There are people in the world who are more successful. Tesla ने company कार बनाई और उसने open डाल दिया सबके ऊपर. Please आके copy कर लो. But nobody can copy that. So to me, I think besides authenticity, is the drive and energy of an entrepreneur is extremely important for a startup world.
I want to ask Saurabh bhai, secret of negotiation when you meet the founder or any startup, आप कौन से lenses से देखते हो जो हमारे lens से छूट जाता है?
Lot of investment bankers put the promoter on a different air, on a different pedestal. And when they come to us, they talk about, sir, अभी तक तो कॉन्सेप्ट का आइडिया नहीं है, सर 1000 करोड़ का वैल्यू चाहिए, सर 2000 करोड़ का वैल्यू चाहिए। मैं उसको पहले दरवाजा दिखाता हूँ।
परफेक्ट।
स्टार्टअप बिजनेस और लोगों को मैं देखता हूँ, अपने आप को यंग और यूथ समझने के हिसाब से मैं पैसा इन्वेस्ट करता हूँ, नॉट टू गेन मनी फ्रॉम देम। माई आइडिया ऑफ पुटिंग मनी इज नॉट लाइक टू अर्न मनी इंस्टेंट या 2 साल में आए या 5 साल में, मैं वो नहीं समझता हूँ।
Before 2 years, the company was very small. Last 3 years, I think this year I expect EBITDA of 200 crores.
हम ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेसेस से बहुत सीखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं एंड थोड़ी इनोवेशन लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं एंड यही हमारा बेसिक पैशन है कि किसी तरीके से हम तो गैप से वो आइडेंटिफाई करके उसको फास्ट स्पीड में एग्जीक्यूट करें द राइट मैनर।
Economic growth as well as opportunity, because look at the way the GDP is growing. What he's saying is absolutely right, you know. And again, the biggest talent is available in India.
Wonderful ecosystem which we have created. I think it will go a long way in taking the startups of our country to greater heights.
Honestly saying, I really loved the entire concept. The panel was so good and it was so inspiring that people like us, like youth, got a chance to interact with them, to know their point of view. And it is where the youth met the industry veterans. So thank you so much for this opportunity as
BizData is doing the right thing by tapping into these startups and helping investors, multiply their money.
these are one of the finest boys I've ever seen in the startup ecosystem. Extremely honest, extremely high integrity, high pedigree, too much of dedication, passion to grow big. And I think these guys are going to make big in the coming times.